Hey everybody, it's Dr. Guy, author of The Dissertation Warrior, and Dissertation Summer Camp is upon us. This Dissertation Summer Camp is absolutely free to my subscribers to my Dissertation Mentor Accelerator program. For those of you that are not yet subscribers, this summer camp and the program around which I've built it is the best offering I can possibly give you to make progress in your dissertation in summer. This summer camp is going to teach you how to create alignment in your dissertation. This is going to teach you how to have less pain and how to create a great literature review. This will teach you how to work with theoretical and conceptual frameworks, how to build a methodology, a research design, and how to get your dissertation out of the land of nightmarish recurring revisions so that way you can make progress and not have to pay your university as much in recurring classes and so on. If I can save you 1 month of your time, how much would that be worth to you? I am here to serve you, and I hope you will take the time to join me for Dissertation Summer Camp. This registration will not be live for long, so if you would like to take part, go ahead and click the link so that way you can learn about what I am offering. This is going to be incredible, a huge gain for you and your dissertation work. Take care, click that link.